Hello student, today I brought a video on magnetic field lines and around a bar magnet and current carrying conductor. In last video we discussed about the magnetic field and the magnetic field produced by a bar magnet, pattern of magnetic field produced by a bar magnet and the properties of magnetic field lines. In this video we discuss the activity through which we can observe the magnetic field line produced around a bar magnet and the magnetic field lines produced around a state carrying conductor. And we also discuss about an activity that show the relationship between the electric current and its relationship with the magnetism. Everything we discuss in this video, so watch the video very carefully, attentively, so that you can clear your concept for the magnetic effect of electric current. That is the part that belongs to the chapter 13. Here an activity that is given in your NCERT book 13.2, activity 13.2. How to find the magnetic field lines, pattern of magnetic field lines produced around a bar magnet. In this activity it is given that when iron filling are sprinkled uniformly, they arrange themselves in the pattern as shown in the figure. These iron filling, when sprinkled around a bar magnet, the iron filling arrange themselves as a pattern, and these patterns look like a curved line around a bar magnet. These lines along which the iron filling align themselves represent the magnetic field line. The magnetic field line is an imaginary line along which the magnetic field is detected, and due to the magnetic field, the iron filling attracted by the magnetic field and arrange themselves around the line. That is shown, that is appeared with the pattern produced by the magnetic field. Okay. Next slide, we will discuss how to find the magnetic field line with the help of compass needle. It is a very important device to detect the magnetic field at a place around a bar magnet or the current carrying conductor. So we give an elementary idea about the compass needle. Now, it is the figure of compass needle. Compass is nothing but just a compact form of magnetic needle. Magnetic needle, just we have discussed about the last video, that the different of bar magnet, horseshoe magnet. Similarly, magnetic needle also a type of like that. It is the elongated rhombus. It is the magnetic needle. This compact form of such type of magnetic needle used to make the magnetic compass. Needle which is pivoted, it is pivoted at the center so that you can rotate in a small brass box covered with a glass top. The north pole of this needle is generally painted red. It is used to find the direction of magnetic field at a place. When the magnetic needle is kept near a magnet, it is deflected in other direction. The deflection of the magnetic field shows the direction of the magnetic field in which it is kept. So it is a very important device to detect the magnetic field. With the compass needle, we can draw the magnetic field line, produce a bar magnet by the activity given in the NCERT book, activity number 13.3. It is the 13.3 activity. How to draw the magnetic field around a bar magnet. For this, you take a compass, a small compass in a bar magnet, place a magnet on the white paper fixed on a drawing board. Mark the boundary of the magnet. It was fixed and make the boundary of the magnet on the cardboard. Place the compass near the north pole of the magnet. Mark the point of the two ends of the needle. Like that we can. So, suppose that is a bar magnet. The bar magnet is north pole and it is south pole. And a compass needle is placed near the north pole. Here, the north pole, due to the north pole, compass, south pole of the compass is attracted toward the north pole, and the north pole of the compass is directed away from the north pole. And again, the compass is placed near the point where the north pole is directed, and this pole is the south pole. Again, it is the south pole where, and the north pole directed away. In this way, we place the magnet compass needle and we make a point like that, and we join the point, we get a magnetic lines of force produced by the bar magnet. That is given in this activity. Now move the needle to new positions such that the south pole occupy the position of the previously occupied by the north pole. And in this way proceed step by step till we reach the south pole to the magnet. Join the point marked on the paper by a smooth curve. This represents the magnetic field line produced by a bar magnet. The pattern of the magnetic field line produced by a bar magnet using the compass needle is given in this slide like that. Here, the south pole and the north pole. The north pole moves in this direction, and if we join the line, we get a curved line that show the direction of that show the magnetic field produced by a bar magnet. And this pattern we obtain with the help of the compass that is given here. Here, this compass, in various places we place the compass and get a many curves around the bar magnet. And in this way we can also show the magnetic field line produced by a bar magnet. This compass needle is also used to find the nature of the magnetic field produced near around a current carrying conductor that will be discussed in the next slide. Look here. First we discussed the relationship between electricity and magnetism was described by the Hans Christian Ørsted. He was first believed that there is no relationship between the magnetism and the current, but by chance when he placed a compass needle near the current carrying conductor, the magnetic diffracted that show there is something relationship between the magnet and the current carrying conductor. When current is passed, when the electron is passed through a conductor, they produce the magnetic field, and due to the magnetic fields, the compass needle is deflected. That is experiment conducted by the Hans Christian and give a idea about the relationship between the magnetism and electricity. It is given here. In 1820, a Danish physicist, Hans Christian Ørsted, discovered that there was a relationship between the electricity and magnetism. By setting up a compass needle, by setting up a compass through a wire carrying an electric current, Ørsted showed that the moving electron can create a magnetic field. Due to the magnetic field produced by the current carrying conductor, magnetic needle deflected. It is given like that in this figure. Here is a compass needle suspended over the current carrying conductor. When circuit is open, then the magnetic needle deflected, and the deflection show the current carrying conductor also produce magnetic field. Due to the production of magnetic field, the magnetic compass is deflected. It is also deflection when the compass needle is kept below the conductor. The direction of the deflection of the compass needle is just reversed when it is kept below the conductor. This experiment is in detail described in the next slide. Look here. Here the Oersted experiment described in this slide. Here it is a electric circuit and a compass and electric circuit and a compass needle is placed below the compass below the circuit conductor. Here the direction of current is from east to north to south. The direction of the current is north to south. Then the compass needle which is below the conductor, the north pole of the magnet deflected toward the east. And it is also observed when the compass needle is kept over the conductor. When the compass needle is kept over the conductor and the conductor is below the compass needle, then the north pole of the compass needle deflected toward the west. But when the direction of the current is reversed, here the direction of the current is from south to north, but when the direction of the current is from north to south and the conductor is placed parallel to the axis of the compass needle, then the north pole of the compass needle directed towards the west and the south pole is deflected towards the east. And it is also reversed when the magnetic needle is kept over the conductor. The condition is deflection is reversed. That experiment carried out by the Oersted and that show the deflection of magnetic needle so that the current carrying conductor produce magnetic field, and due to the influence of magnetic field, magnetic needle deflected. Now, in the next slide, we will discuss about how to find the direction of the magnetic field, how it is deflected with respect to the direction of the current. That is given the Ampere's swimming rules. Here, Ampere's rules state that if the swimmer swims in the direction of the current facing the magnetic field, the face of the swimmer see the magnetic needle. Then the north pole of the magnetic field, magnetic needle deflected toward the left hand, and the south pole of the magnetic needle deflected towards the right hand. This rule is also remembered with the help of the word. What snow? Snow is that it means that if the current is flowing from south to north direction, like that. If the current is flowing from south to north direction, it is south to north direction. It is south, suppose it is north. In this direction current flowing, suppose that, and a place over a axis of the compass needle, and a compass needle here like that. It is a compass needle that is below the conductor. Then the compass needle of the north pole, the north pole of the compass needle, the axis of the compass needle, the north pole of the needle is deflected toward the west. It is deflected toward the west. It is like that. And south pole deflected toward the east. That is the rules. As for south and for north, the direction of the current over the conductor, over the magnetic needle, and over the magnetic needle parallel to the axis of the magnetic needle. And W, it means the north field is deflected toward the west. That is the rules of Ampere's swimming rules that describe how the magnetic needle deflected. Now, the nature of the magnetic field produced by a state carrying conductor is also described by an activity of iron filling with the help of iron filling and the magnetic needle. When the magnetic field is of the nature of the magnetic field observed produced by a current carrying conductor, it is observed that it is the concentric circle. It is in the form of concentric circle, and the center of the circle is the lie at the conductor, at the conductor, and the magnetic field lines just like a concentric circle. It is given here, and it is also observed by the iron filling. When iron filling is sprinkled around a conductor, the iron filling arrange themselves like a concentric circle. That is given in the described in the next activity in the next slide. Describe an activity so that the magnetic field lines magnify around a current carrying state conductor. Here the activity given, you can learn from everything. Fundamentals is that it is a cardboard. It is a cardboard and a thick copper wire is inserted in the cardboard such that the cardboard is fixed so that it cannot slide through the wire. And a circuit is completed joining with the thick wire or copper wire by joining it in a battery, a cell, and some iron filling is sprinkled around the conductor. After tapping the paper, after gently tapping the paper, after 2 and 3 times, all the iron filling is arranged themselves in the shape of a concentric circle. That's so that a state carrying conductor produces a magnetic field, and due to the influence of magnetic fields, iron filling arrange themselves in the shape of the concentric circle. That is the magnetic field pattern produced by a state carrying conductor. Here the state carrying conductor given. When the current, but here one thing keep in mind, it is the shape of the magnetic field, but what is the direction of the magnetic field? We should discuss about what is the direction of the magnetic field. Here given here direction. When the direction of the magnetic field also reverse, when the reversing the direction of current. Here current is flowing from upward direction, and here current is flowing upward direction. Here when the current flow downward direction, then the direction of the magnetic field produced around the state carrying conductor is also reversed. That is given by rules known as Maxwell-Therms rules. Direction of magnetic field line around the current carrying conductor state line is given by the rules Maxwell right-hand thumbs rules. The Maxwell's right-hand thumbs rules state that when the conductor is held in your right hand like that, when the conductor is held, suppose that a conductor is held in our right hand, such that the direction of the thumb point the direction of the current, and the curved finger gives the direction of the magnetic field produced around the conductor. The direction of the current in the conductor is represented by the direction of the thumb, and the direction of the magnetic field produced by the state carrying conductor is represented by the curved finger. The curved finger, when the direction is upward direction, current is upward direction, then the magnetic field, direction of magnetic field is anti-clockwise direction. But when the direction of the thumb is downward direction, then the direction of the curly finger is in clockwise direction. That is illustrated in the next slide. Look here, it is Maxwell right hand thumb rules. It is the thumb is in the direction of the current, and the curly finger show the direction of the magnetic field produced around the conductor. Here the direction, when the current is upward direction, then the direction of the magnetic field is anti-clockwise direction, and when the direction of the current is downward direction, then the direction of magnetic field produced around it is clockwise direction. That is given, that is remembered by the Maxwell right hand thumb rule. Now next slide we discuss about the factors on which the magnetic field line produced around a conductor will be discussed in detail. Now thank you.